Hey there, everyone! Before you sip on that cinnamon tea, let's spill the tea on its amazing health benefits. We're talking turning you into a lean, mean, digesting machine. Okay, maybe not machine, but you'll definitely feel good. So put on your comfy pants, grab your mug, and get ready to be amazed by the power of cinnamon. First up, this ain't your grandma's tea party, folks. We're diving into the world of metabolism boosting magic. Cinnamon tea cranks up your metabolism like a superhero after a triple espresso. We're talking calorie burning power. Imagine sipping on this warm, aromatic tea and feeling your body kick into high gear. It's like having a personal trainer yelling at you to do burpees, but way more delicious. No sweat, no pain, just pure enjoyment. Picture this, you sipping your tea, and those calories just running scared. The warmth of the tea, the soothing cinnamon flavor, it's a perfect nighttime ritual. Okay, maybe not running scared, but definitely burning faster. The compounds in cinnamon help to increase your body's metabolic rate, making it easier to burn off those extra calories. It's like a dance party for your metabolism. Your body gets to work, breaking down food more efficiently, and you get to enjoy the benefits. And the best part? You get to relax and enjoy the deliciousness while it works its magic. No need to stress about hitting the gym or counting calories. It's like a magic trick, but for your health. The antioxidants in cinnamon also help to fight inflammation and improve overall well-being. So ditch those sugary drinks and grab yourself a cup of cinnamon tea. Not only will you be cutting down on unnecessary sugar, but you'll also be giving your metabolism a much-needed boost. Your metabolism will thank you. Plus, you'll feel more energized and ready to take on whatever comes your way. So go ahead, make cinnamon tea a part of your nightly routine and watch the magic happen. Let's talk digestion, folks. It's something we all deal with daily, yet often overlook until it becomes a problem. We've all been there, feeling bloated, uncomfortable, like we swallowed a bowling ball. It's one of those things that can really put a damper on your day or night. Not fun, but fear not, cinnamon tea is here to save the day. This humble beverage has been a go-to remedy for centuries, known for its soothing properties. It's like a warm hug for your tummy, soothing those digestive woes and making everything run smoothly. Imagine the comfort of a cozy blanket wrapped around you on a chilly night. Think of it as a gentle massage for your insides. The warmth and the natural compounds in cinnamon work together to ease your digestive system. And you know what they say, a happy belly equals a happy life. When your stomach feels good, everything else seems to fall into place. No more dreading that after-dinner discomfort. Instead, you can look forward to a peaceful, restful night. Cinnamon tea is like a best friend for your gut, always there to lend a helping hand, or should I say, a helping spice. It's reliable, comforting, and always ready to support you. So next time you're feeling a little backed up, reach for a cup of cinnamon tea. It's a simple, natural solution that can make a big difference. Your stomach will thank you for it. And who knows, you might just find that a cup of cinnamon tea becomes your new nightly ritual, a moment of calm and comfort in your busy day. Inflammation is like that annoying houseguest that just won't leave. It's no fun. But guess what? Cinnamon tea is like the bouncer of your body, showing inflammation the door. This powerful spice is a natural anti-inflammatory, meaning it helps to reduce swelling and pain. It's like having a tiny firefighter in your body, putting out those inflammatory fires. And the best part? It does it all naturally, without any harsh chemicals or side effects. It's like Mother Nature's secret weapon against inflammation. So if you're dealing with aches, pains, or just feeling inflamed, give cinnamon tea a try. Your body will thank you for it. Blood sugar? Under control. Let's be real. Keeping our blood sugar in check can be tougher than explaining to your parents why you need another video game console. It's a constant battle, and sometimes it feels like no matter what you do, those levels just won't cooperate. But guess what? Cinnamon tea is here to make it easier than ever. This isn't just any ordinary tea. It's a game changer. Imagine sipping on something delicious that also helps you manage your health. This magical brew helps to regulate your blood sugar levels, keeping those spikes and crashes at bay. It's like having a secret weapon in your wellness arsenal. The natural compounds in cinnamon work wonders for your body. It's like having a personal assistant for your pancreas, making sure everything runs smoothly. Imagine not having to worry about those sudden drops in energy or unexpected sugar highs. Your pancreas will thank you. And you know what that means? More energy, fewer cravings, and overall better health. When your blood sugar is stable, you feel more balanced and in control, No more reaching for that sugary snack to get through the day. It's like winning the lottery, but for your blood sugar. Imagine the freedom of not having to constantly monitor your levels or worry about the next crash. It's a small change with a big impact. So ditch those sugary drinks and opt for a cup of cinnamon tea instead. Not only is it a healthier choice, but it's also incredibly satisfying. You'll wonder why you didn't make the switch sooner. Your body will thank you for it. You'll feel more energized, more in control, and overall just better. So why not give it a try? Make cinnamon tea a part of your nightly routine and see the difference it can make. Brainpower? Engage. Feeling foggy-headed like you need a jumpstart for your brain? Cinnamon tea to the rescue. This incredible brew is like a brain booster in a mug, helping to improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a spa day, complete with aromatherapy and a relaxing massage. Okay, maybe not a massage, but it definitely feels good. So next time you need to ace that exam, crush that presentation, or just remember where you put your keys, reach for a cup of cinnamon tea. Your brain will thank you for it. Bacteria. Beware! Germs, bacteria, fungi, they're everywhere. But don't worry, cinnamon tea is like a tiny ninja warrior, fighting off those microscopic bad guys and keeping you healthy. This powerful brew has antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help to inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your immune system. So next time you're feeling under the weather, or just want to give your immune system a boost, reach for a cup of cinnamon tea. It's like a warm hug for your health. Ladies, we all know the struggle of menstrual cramps. It's like Mother Nature's monthly reminder that we're strong, powerful women. But that doesn't mean we have to suffer. Cinnamon tea is here to save the day. This soothing brew can help to ease those cramps and make that time of the month a little bit more bearable. It's like a warm hug for your uterus. So next time you're feeling crampy, skip the painkillers and reach for a cup of cinnamon tea. Your body will thank you for it. We only get one heart, folks, so we gotta take care of it. And guess what? Cinnamon tea is here to help. This heart-healthy brew can help to lower bad cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular health. It's like giving your heart a VIP pass to the fountain of youth. Okay, maybe not the fountain of youth, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. So show your heart some love and make cinnamon tea a regular part of your routine. Your ticker will thank you for it. Weight loss wonders. Let's be real, losing weight can be tougher than parallel parking a school bus. But guess what? Cinnamon tea is here to make it a little bit easier. This metabolism-boosting brew can help to curb cravings, reduce appetite, and promote weight loss. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket, or should I say, in your mug. So ditch those sugary drinks and opt for a cup of cinnamon tea instead. Your waistline will thank you for it. Skin so radiant it glows. Want that healthy, radiant glow? Look no further than cinnamon tea. This beauty elixir is packed with antioxidants that help to protect your skin from damage, reduce wrinkles, and promote a youthful complexion. It's like a spa day in a cup. So ditch those expensive creams and lotions and reach for a cup of cinnamon tea instead. Your skin will thank you for it. Colds don't stand a chance. Feeling a cold coming on? Don't let it get you down. Cinnamon tea is here to boost your immune system and fight off those nasty germs. It's like a warm hug for your immune system, giving it the strength it needs to fight back. So next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for a cup of cinnamon tea. It's like a cozy blanket for your immune system, helping you to feel better faster. A cinnamon tea, your new BFF. So there you have it, folks. Next time you brew that cinnamon tea, remember you're not just drinking tea, you're sipping on a cup of health magic. From boosting your metabolism to fighting off colds, this spice is a true superhero in your kitchen. Cheers to your health and happy sipping, everyone.